The helicopter was just working on these power lines. It hit the power line, blew up. There was a pilot, there was a worker. The helicopter blew up and fell and crashed to that barge, and it's exploding right now. It's exploding right now. Holy shit, I just called 911. Holy shit, this is fucking crazy. This is fucking crazy. Well, he's not gonna be able to get that fucking boat in down there. I don't know where they're going. I called 911. This is fucking insane. They're dead. They're dead. They have to be dead. This is fucking crazy.